Unlock a world of virtual goodies by learning how to get Robux with a Visa gift card. First things first, head over to the Roblox website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to navigate to the Robux section. You can usually find this prominently displayed on the left-hand side of the screen, or by clicking on the Robux icon at the top. Now, on the Robux purchase page, look for the different ways to buy virtual currency. You'll see various Robux package options. Scroll down a bit, and you should find an option specifically for gift cards or redeem card. Click on that option, and you'll be taken to the card redemption page. This is where you'll enter your Visa gift card details. You'll see fields for the card number, which is typically found on the front of your card. Next, you'll need the expiration date, usually found on the front of the card as well, and very importantly, locate the PIN or security code. This is often hidden under a scratch-off panel on the back of your gift card. Gently scratch it off to reveal the numbers. Carefully type in all of these details into the corresponding fields on the Roblox website. Double-check each number and letter to ensure accuracy. Once everything is entered, you'll see a redeem or submit button. Click that button, and your Roblox account will be credited with Robux. Sometimes, depending on your gift card provider, you might need to register your card online first, which is a simple process usually done via the gift card issuer's website. If you encounter any issues, always check the back of your gift card for their customer service contact information. And just like that, you've successfully added Robux using your Visa gift card. Now go forth and customize your avatar, explore new worlds, and enhance your Roblox experience.